Hello guys, good day and welcome back once again to another Know Your DeFi. And this is the week 5 live session. And this is more towards the wallets for DeFi. What are the wallets that you can able to use and you can able to under DeFi? So for today's class, you'll get to know what are the wallets that you can able to use, okay, especially for EVM, Solana, okay, and other chains that you can be able to utilize by using one wallet itself. One universal wallet can be able to use multiple networks. So yeah, I think let's get started here. Okay. So wallets very important, and of course, what is the DeFi wallet? Okay, so yeah, I think you have to understand is that a lot of people want self-custody, but do not know how to do it. So with this Web3 wallet or whatever DeFi wallet that you call it, right? It's called self-custodial wallet, where you can able to handle your own wallet and your own risk, okay, and your own advantage and your own experience. So yeah, again, or some also they mentioned about multi-currency wallet, right? In other terms, okay, where you can able to not only depending on one network, okay, but you can use other multiple currency or multiple network like Ethereum based Solana, okay, Optimism, Arbitrum. Okay. So yeah, I think for today's class, I'm going to share what are the wallets you can be able to go for, especially for EVM Solana. And I think one of the best wallet or the most commonly used wallet, okay, right, is mostly on MetaMask. Okay, so as you know that MetaMask is widely used, so you can able to go to MetaMask. And the first thing that you want to do is to download the app or the extension directly from the website itself. So like for example, MetaMask shows metamask.io, right? So we can able to go there and we can able to check, right? So this is the website, official website, okay? Right? So yeah, the big question is how to know whether this is an official website, right? So you want to go to probably CoinGecko or okay, CoinGecko or probably search directory. Okay. Well, I'm not sure whether they do have because this is mostly for coin, but you can able to search. Okay, right? Or not here. So you can either go to x.com, or you can able to do a search. MetaMask official website. MetaMask official website. Right. Okay. Or even better, you can go for the Twitter. Okay, Twitter, MetaMask Twitter page, Twitter account. Okay. You can see here, my MetaMask X. Okay, so you can go here and you can able to search, right? x.com/MetaMask, and to actually search, okay, the official link in order for you to know. Okay, so yeah, I've already in MetaMask.io. Okay, so it's the link. Search the MetaMask.io. You can see this is a golden badge here. Okay, right. So what you want to do is that you want to download the extension. Okay, so you can click get started here. Okay, get started. Okay. All right, so they have shown you a few options. You can go for the browser extension, mobile app. Okay, for mobile app, you have to scan using a phone, and then the web-based, open web-based. So you can just go, okay, like web-based, they divert you to their own web page. But again, I think I'll prefer to download the browser extension. So example, this is Google Chrome, so I choose Chrome. Then it will lead me to this official store for me to download. So what I'm going to do here is I want to click add to Chrome. Okay, add to Chrome. And then you can see here, it pop up this message called, you can read and change all your data on all websites. So you want to click add extension. Okay, so once it's done, it will show complete, and then it will allow you to enable the app. Okay, so you're gonna wait for a couple of minutes here for it to download, or because maybe it could be a speed problem as well. So that could be the thing here. Okay, so this is MetaMask. This is one of them. I think they have a lot here. Okay, so MetaMask, Ravi, like I've always done it on my show for the past few weeks here. Ravi is more of the user-friendly wallet that I'm really used to it, so I'll probably go for that. But for this tutorial, it's more towards something that is common, something that is widely used. Okay, and then of course we move on next with probably Phantom, right? So Phantom also you can download while waiting for it to download. So Phantom, I believe, is mostly more for Solana. Okay, but again, like I said, for every user, they have their own preference. Like for me, I prefer Ravi as EVM and Backpack for Solana. So it'll be a bit different for other users. So now what I'm gonna do is download Phantom. Okay, this is a phantom.com official website. Okay, right. So I'm gonna download Phantom first. Or download to your phone. Now you want to download using the extension. Okay, so you can download the extension. Download here. Okay, download for desktop, right? So we're gonna go for Chrome. Okay, and it leads you to the official site for you to download or add to Chrome an extension. Okay, so once it's done, okay, you will add on something. So you'll see the puzzle icon here on your Chrome. Okay, and then you can see your MetaMask here, right? But you want to make sure that it's on top here. So you're going to click pin. So it shows here. Okay, right? We're going to remove others as well for tutorial. Okay, so yeah, I have the MetaMask here. Okay, and I'm going to also add Phantom. Now, so what's happening now is that, okay, this, okay, so I'm going to click MetaMask. Again, click MetaMask. And now it pops up this. Okay, it allows me now to at least create a new wallet, or if I have an own existing wallet, which means I have already have a private key or seed phrase, then I can use existing wallet, right? But for this tutorial, I'm probably going to use it for a new wallet, creating a new wallet, right? So create a new wallet. Okay. Now they ask you to continue with Google, Apple, or use recovery seed phrase. So probably am I going to use for recovery seed phrase? Okay. And then you're going to enter your password. Okay, enter your password. So yeah, you can just simply put up to you. Okay. So okay. Okay. So if you lost this password, MetaMask can't reset it. Okay, so create password. Now, this is your recovery seed phrase. Okay. And this is very, very important because if you lost this recovery seed phrase and your funds inside there, then everything will be gone. Okay, that is the most important. If you forget your password, login password, it doesn't matter. But most important thing is your seed phrase, seed recovery piece. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to reveal and I'm not going to use this wallet just for your own purpose and for your trading, for your training purposes. Okay, so yeah, I think you can see here they've given you about 12 seed phrase. That is usually the standard. But if you use like a hardware wallet, it gives you like a 24 password. So for every standard Web3 wallet or DeFi wallet, it's usually 12 password, 12 seed phrase. So you want to copy all this, or you want to write down. Okay, you want to write down all this. Okay. So for example, I'm just going to screenshot because maybe they might use it for reference. Okay, so you need to write down and you need to remember or save it into your somewhere that you save. Okay, probably you want to write out set of screenshot. Okay, for this purpose. Then continue. And then you want to confirm your seed current phrase, right? So yeah, just now there is snapshot, but this is only for tutorial. So I'm going to put it here. Okay. So 7 is initial, 11 is review, right? So continue. Right, right. Okay. So that's how you do it. And then help improve MetaMask, gather basic usage data, whichever it is, right? So just click continue. The wallet is ready, open wallet. Okay, so now we are already opening the wallet. This is the MetaMask here. Okay, so we can see now, okay, what's happening here. Okay, now we can see this wallet. Okay, they have all sorts of features. Okay, all sorts of features. First, you got funding your wallet, you can add funds, and then you can also buy directly from MetaMask. Okay. For example, add funds. You can see token marketplace receive crypto, transfer crypto. This is also receive crypto. So this is default your EVM address for Ethereum, Bitcoin also you do have, Solana, okay, then linear and then base, okay. So many networks, right? So under one MetaMask wallet, it caters for so many types of network, okay. Then transfer crypto also you can transfer. And token marketplace also you have, okay. So it needs you to decide, okay, on that transfer, send, transfer, receive, okay. So you can able to do it, okay. So same thing as well. Why? Okay. And of course, this is one universal wallet with one seed phrase that you enter, can able to access all kinds of wallets as long as you have the seed phrase. Okay, as long as you have the seed phrase, you can be able to enter any kind of DeFi wallet. Okay, just one seed phrase. You don't have to create multiple wallets actually, but for this tutorial, I will go one by one instead of throwing everything at one go, because this is more towards beginner. Okay, so yeah, you can buy from MetaMask one. Okay, but definitely it'll be much more expensive and much more premium that you're going to spend. So that's how it is, right? And what else? On wallet, swap, receive. Yeah, you can able to swap also in MetaMask. Okay, so that's how it is, right? Okay, and then connecting to the DeFi app also, right? How you can able to connect to DeFi app? You can simply go to Uniswap. Okay, Uniswap. Okay, swap. Then you can able to connect using your MetaMask wallet. Okay, right? So yeah, this is the address. Okay, so you click connect. I'm going to go for MetaMask. Okay, connecting. You can see here, right? It prompts me here to connect. Okay, so wallet one, connect. Okay, and then yeah, use Solana on Uniswap. Okay, I'll skip. Yeah, I'll skip because this is a EVM. Okay, you use Ethereum. All right, so that's how it is. And this is how you connect your DeFi app. All right, so DeFi app. So yeah, I think for recap, okay, pretty much simple. If we move on here as well for I think Phantom, right? So let me remove this. Okay, for Phantom, pretty much the same as well. Okay, we'll do this for Phantom. Okay, click Phantom, and then you can see here, I've already have a wallet or create a new wallet. Actually, you can use the previous phrase if you want, right? You can import currency phrase from the MetaMask. But I'm going to do this create a new wallet again for your reference. Okay, is for a refresher. Now, here they ask you to create wallet. How do you want to do it? You want to go with email or you want to go with seed phrase? So usually it's seed phrase because I think if it's email, I think it wouldn't be that secure. Because if once your email's been hacked, then it's it. You can just access, right? So you don't want that. So create a new password again, similar. Okay. Now, for password, it's not really, only is a secret. Okay, only is a secret. All right. So you want to do this. You want to make sure that your seed phrase is well secured, well kept, well kept. Probably you want to write it somewhere on a piece of paper. Okay. And then hide it in a secret place. Something that, so this is a recovery seed phrase. Totally different compared to the MetaMask because it's random. So yeah, same thing. You might want to copy this. Okay, you might want to copy this. And you might want to save it somewhere, right? So I save my recovery seed phrase done. Okay. And then probably you can put your username, whichever, up to you. So let's continue. And then that's it. All right. So you're already done. You're already on Phantom Wallet. Get started. So I come up this as well. Okay, Phantom Wallet pops up. And now very similar compared to MetaMask. You have send, swap, receive, buy as well. So some of the wallet have same user interface. Some are quite different. Okay. So you can also receive as well. So you got Solana, your Ethereum as well, but you can see the address on the last five characters is totally different compared to the previous one, which is MetaMask. totally different address. So you can see it's totally different. Okay. Okay, so yeah, same thing. We can also connect to Uniswap. Okay, so example here, I want to opt out this because last address was B814. So I'm gonna disconnect and I'm probably gonna use Phantom. Okay, so Phantom wallet can connect. Okay, so this is my one nice realm 3186 connect, and I'm in already. Okay, I'm in, then I can just use it whichever I want. Okay. Okay, so my wallet, this is my wallet, and it shows 1D75, right? If you look at Ethereum as well, you can see receive, right? 1D75. So this is the Phantom wallet that I'm using. As well. So a lot to learn, and of course, talk about Solana, we can do another topic, right? So yeah, I guess this is all I have for this week.